Arthur's point of view, Yoongi planned lots of surprises for Jimin. For that, he took him on the cruise. But Jimin is Jimin. He ate Yoongi's brain until he knew the surprise. On the way to the cruise, Yoongi told to Jimin that he doesn't need to hide his feelings and dreams. Whatever he wanna do, he just tell to him beforehand. He doesn't need to kill his desires. Yoongi was here to fulfill his each and every desire. He doesn't need to do anything forcefully. If he doesn't want to do anything, then simply deny it, but never force himself to do anything. Their bickerings would continue like as usual. Jimin was so happy to see the cruise. It was his first time in the cruise. He was so excited but afraid too, because last time when he sat on the boat it was shaking a lot. But this is huge cruise. What if he jumps and hit down? Then Yoongi assured him that nothing happened like this. He can jump as much as he wants. He took him on the cruise top, which is called deck. From there, they can enjoy the whole view of sea, mountain, and the sky. It all was so beautiful. Yunmin clicked lots of pics of each others. They both were very happy. Let's see what happens next. Right now, they both were laying on the deck chair, beach chairs, and enjoying the view while talking. Jimin was enjoying like prince. He was drinking various types of juices and food. Yoongi was just looking at him while eating. Jimin wants to eat and drink everything. Jimin, Yoongi, Jimin, what else I eat next? Yoongi, now only I left. Eat me too, said sarcastically. Jimin looked at him. I can't eat you. Yoongi, while closing his eyes, you can't digest me. Jimin, no, it's not like that. If I eat you, then who will pay the bills and translate my words? Arjuni in every foreign interview with the members. Yoongi shockingly looked at him. What? I am only your translator, nothing else? Jimin, Yoongi, okay then I'm about to go. Jimin immediately held his hand. Where are you going? Leaving me here all alone? Don't forget, you promised me that you will never leave me alone. Yoongi, irritated. I'm going to washroom. Are you coming with me? Jimin, washroom? No, you go. Yoongi, thank you, my highness. Jimin, it's okay, Yun. Bring something for me to eat when you will return. Yoongi shook his head in disbelief. You aren't gonna listen to me, right? Left. He went to use washroom and came back after a few minutes. He saw Jimin was hanging on cruise railing and doing something while looking down. Yoongi's heart skipped to see him like this. Yoongi, this boy is busy in creating problems for himself. I don't understand. What should I do with him? I can't leave him alone, not for a nanosecond. He went near him and grabbed his waist and pulled him towards himself. Jimin flinched hard at the sudden touch. Jimin, Yun, it's you. You made me so scared. Yoongi, who else touched you like this? Jimin, I thought. Yoongi tightened his grip. Tried to free himself. It's hurting. Please leave me. Yoongi tightened his grip even more. No, I won't leave you. He looked here and there to confirm that no one is here or looking at them. He spanked Jimin hard. Jimin screamed in pain. Yoongi spanked him 3 times within a blink of a second. Way hurts. About to cry. Yoongi called his scary voice. I dare you to cry. If a single tear drop, then you will get bear spanks right here, right now. Jimin, scared and quickly wiped his tears. No, I won't cry. Yoongi, sharp voice. I started behaving lenient with you, but it doesn't mean that you can cross your limits. What are you doing here? Do you know if I didn't come here or hold you, then till now you will drop yourself into the sea. Can't you use your princess brain? Now, why are you silent? Answer me. Jimin, super scared. I was watching dolphin and feeding her. Yoongi, feeding dolphin? Are you serious? Spanked him 2 times more. Do you know, here are sharks too. You will become their food. Just for few minutes I left you alone and you risked your life. What should I do with you? Can't you take care of yourself? It's all my fault. I shouldn't take you here. I should understand that you can't stay still. Jimin tried to rub, but Yoongi slapped his hand and again spanked him. Did I allow you to rub? Jimin scared. No. Yoongi, then why did you try to rub? Jimin, sorry nah, I don't know, here's a shark too. I won't do it again, please. Showed him puppy to eyes. Yoongi, don't show me these eyes. These won't work now. Tell me, will you ever risk your life in danger? Jimin, oh wait, no, please, no more spankings, please. He spanked him one last time and left his waist. Yoongi, if you ever dare to repeat this, then I won't hesitate to use belt. Remember this. Jimin, in mind. Suddenly, what happened to Yoon? Why is it behaving like old Yoon with whom I met the first time? Yoongi, I said something to you. Did you lost? Jimin, please start. Yes, I won't repeat this again. Yoongi, good. About to go somewhere, but Jimin jumped on his back and hugged him tightly. Jimin, I'm sorry. Please don't be angry na. Yoongi didn't reply him and started walking towards their room. Yoongi dropped Jimin on the couch and went to washroom to change his clothes. He didn't even look at Jimin, which broke Jimin's heart. After a few minutes, he came back and saw Jimin was standing near the couch while looking down. Yoongi threw his clothes on him. Go and change your clothes. Jimin caught his clothes. Okay, left. He wanna ask something, but Yoongi's cold behavior forced him to obey his words. Without saying anything, he went to washroom without saying anything, which shocked Yoongi a little bit. But he shrugged his thoughts. After a few minutes, he came back and stood in front of Yoongi while looking down. Yoongi looked at him. Why are you standing? Sit. I don't tell you to stand. Jimin, I can't sit, it hurts, said while looking down with big pout. Yoongi, look up. Jimin did. Now what's with this pout? Jimin, first just bang me and now talk to me rudely. Yoongi threw the ointment on him and pulled the blanket over himself. Okay, continue your pouting. Note, don't think Yoongi is rude because he threw the clothes and ointment on him. It's his habit to throw the things on others to give them either it's the gift or the things. Jimin caught the ointment and looked at Yoongi with hurtful eyes, who was sleeping peacefully. But if you think Archim will stay quiet and cry over this, then you are wrong. He went to Yoongi and crawled on him under the blanket and let down over him while hugging him tightly. Yoongi looked at him. What's this? Go to your side. Jimin hugged him more tightly. I'm on my side. Yoongi tried to pull him. Leave me. Jimin, no. Yoongi, what no? Jimin, please forgive me na. Yoongi, leave me. Jimin, why? First you spanked me so hard, now you aren't talking with me. Yoongi, why would I talk to you? Jimin, because I am your kid na. Yoongi, no, you aren't my kid. My kid always listen to me and you always do what I said you to don't. Jimin, I'm sorry nah. I was only feeding Dolphin. She was hungry and looking at me with hopeful eyes. Yoongi, yeah, and you will become shark's food. You never think about me. What if you fell in the sea? How will I live? If anything happened to you, what happened to me? You're so selfish. You never think about me. Go from here. I won't talk to you. Turned his face to the side. Jimin grabbed his cheek and made him see himself. No, you have to talk with me. I'm sorry, nah. I promise I will never repeat this. Please forgive me this time. I will always remember this, please. Yoongi, no. You promised to me this before too when you blast my precious kitchen. But see, you again broke your promise. Now I will definitely not talk to you. Jimin, hey, it's my line. Why are you stealing it from me? I didn't do anything intentionally. It happened by its own. I'm an innocent soul. Yoongi, you aren't an innocent soul. You are so careless. Jimin, because I know you will always there to protect me. Yoongi, don't try to become over smart. I will not wanna talk to you. Jimin, I will tell this to Jinny Yangi and Oma 40's mom too. Yoongi, it's good. You should tell them. Then they will scold you. And Jin Hang, he will eat you alive for risking your life. Picked his mobile from the side table and dialed Jin's number. Wait, let me inform him. Jimin got scared and snatched the mobile from his hand and cut the call. No, it's between us now. We shouldn't involve others in our personal matters. Yoongi, oh, so now it's become a personal matter. Whatever you say, I'm not gonna talk to you, and that's final. Jimin, I'm sorry, na. I will do everything, whatever you say, but please talk to me. I can't bear your ignorance. Yoongi looked at his hurtful eyes. Okay, fine, but it's the last time when I forgive you. If you ever dare to repeat this, then I will not talk to you entire life. Jimin smiled brightly. Thank you. It won't happen again. Showed him ointment. Yoongi, now what's this? Jimin, it's the ointment. Yoongi, I can see that, but why are you showing this to me? Jimin, you spanked me so hard. My back is hurting like hell. Yoongi, you deserve this. Now stop showing me this and apply the ointment. Jimin, how can I apply ointment on my back? Apply this na, otherwise I will die by this pain. Yoongi lightly hit on his forehead. You are so dramatic. He removed the blanket over themselves, then Jimin's pants and boxers. He saw there was little redness, so he again made him dressed up properly. Jimin, hey, you didn't apply ointment. Yoongi, it's fine, you don't need any ointment. Jimin, but it hurts na. Yoongi, don't worry, I will rub it. With that, he started rubbing his bottom, but Jimin screamed in pain. Jimin, slowly. Yoongi, shut up. I'm too gentle. I didn't even spank you hard, so stop your overacting. Jimin pout. I'm not overacting. It genuinely hurts very bad. Did you see your hands? How hard it is? My poor bum bum. Cut off. Yoongi, bum bum. Now what's this? Jimin, my bottoms. Why did you stop? Keep massaging, it feels good. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Massage for 2 minutes. Is it fine now? Jimin, little bit light. Yoongi spanked him hard. Don't like it. Jimin, why did you spank me? Yoongi, because you lied. Jimin, you can't spank the Prince of Busan. Yoongi, oh really? Then dare to repeat this again. I will spank you with the thickest leather belt. Jimin gulped hard. No, you can't do this. Yoongi, are you challenging me? Wait, let me bring my belt. Jimin, no, I'm the Prince of Busan, na. Yoongi, don't forget, I am the King of Daegu, and King can beat Prince. Jimin, but if Prince do any big mistake, then Yoongi made him lay down beside him, and in this process, his t-shirt lifted a little bit upward. He gulped hard to see Jimin's perfect waist, but then his eyes fell on the red marks. He didn't waste a single second and leapt upward to see the marks. He saw his fingerprints on his waist, which he got when he grabbed his waist tightly. He shook his head in disbelief and gently applied the ointment. Jimin, hey, Yoongi, shh, lay down quietly and let me do my work. Jimin didn't say anything after that. Yoongi, in mind, his sensitivity is on another level. Just by my touch, he got marks. What will happen when how will he manage? At that time, normal couples wish each other's body with hickeys, but here his body is going to fulfill by my fingerprints. Damn, he will be looking so damn hot. I can't wait to see him like this. Mentally slapped himself for his unholy thoughts. Min Yoongi, what happened to you? Why are you talking like powers? I think my innocent mind got corrupted by those powers. Tiku ke Namjin. By the way, his skin is so soft like baby. I will love to adore his every inch of the body. His chain of unholy thoughts broke when Jimin shook him. Jimin, what are you saying, Yun? I can't understand anything. If you're done with applying ointment, then stop rubbing my waist. I'm feeling ticklish. Yoongi immediately removed his hand. It's done. I was only checking it. Jimin, okay, by the way, Yun, how did our luggage come here? We didn't bring them with us. Yoongi, I already took them in our car, that's why you didn't know. Jimin, made office. Oh, so that means we aren't going back to our hotel. Yoongi, we are going somewhere. We will saw something there, then live somewhere else. Jimin, what? Tell me now, where are we going? Yoongi, have some patience. We will reach there till the evening. Till then, let's sleep. I know after watching a surprise, you won't wanna sleep. Jimin, now you increase my curiosity. Please tell me now. Yoongi pulled him more closer to himself and started patting his head. Sleep, Jimmy. I won't tell you anything. Jimin hit on his chest. Meanie, Yoongi. With that, they both slept together while cuddling with each other. Time skipped at their destination. Yunmin reached at their destination. It's a freezing place. Here is too much cold. Yoongi wore a ton of warm clothes and forcefully made Jimin wear too. They were going to stay at some special place. Yoongi already planned everything and their luggage already reached at their special room. They reached little early. It still has time to sunset. Jimin was winning all the route because he wanna see his surprises. But Yoongi didn't tell him anything about it. Jimin stopped at his place. I can't walk more. I am too tired. Yoongi looked at him. Just little bit more. You ate so many dishes. You have to digest them. Come, walk. See, I'm walking too. Jimin, I ate that because we paid for it. Now seriously, I can't walk. I'm so tired. Yoongi looked at his tired face. Okay, fine. Just walk a little bit more, then we will do sledge. Jimin, confused. Sledge means? Yoongi, you don't know sledge? Jimin shook his head carelessly. No. Yoongi, now how do I explain to you? You will see by yourself. Now come fast. Jimin, okay. After 5 minutes. Yawn! Screamed. Yoongi, I'm beside you. Why are you screaming this much? Jimin left Yoongi's hand and ran. Santa Claus vehicle! He was so happy to see his leg and about to touch it, but the dogs who was sitting beside the sledge started barking. He became very scared and ran to Yoongi and hugged him tightly. Yoongi hugged him back. What happened? Jimin, they're barking. They will eat me. Let's go from here. Yoongi, stop saying nonsense. They won't do anything to you. Come, let's go. I'm with you. Jimin, no, I won't go. Yoongi, then what will happen to your surprise? Jimin, I don't want any surprise. Please, nah, let's go home. Yoongi, I did so much hard work to plan the surprise. Have some trust on me. They won't do anything. See, they are tied up with a thick rope. They are pets. They can't do anything. Jimin slowly looked at them. Then also, don't leave me. Super scared. Yoongi, why would I leave you? Come with me. I will make you friend with them. Jimin, no, I don't want to do friendship with them. They are looking so scary. Yoongi, you are scared for nothing. About to touch the dog's head. Jimin, be careful, Yoon. I heard cat and dogs can't be friends. Yoongi, oh really? Looked at the dogs. Go and bite this chick. He started talking too much nowadays. Jimin, no! Yoongi, now come here and stroke their heads. They don't do anything. Jimin slowly stroked their heads. Hey, please let me touch Santa Claus vehicle. Nah, I won't do anything. I don't have Juni Hangi's powers. I won't break it, promise. Jimin was busy in talking with dogs and Yoongi took the opportunity and brought their tickets. Yoongi, you are still talking with them? Come, let's go. I brought sledge tickets. Jimin, I don't wanna go on any sled. I wanna sit in Santa Claus vehicles. Please tell them dogs nah to let me sit on it only for one time, please. Yoongi forcefully made him stand and dragged. See kid, I don't have any energy to handle you. Come here and sit on it. We don't have time to waste. Forcefully made him sit on the sled and tied the seat belt too. Jimin, what? We are going by Santa Claus vehicle. Yoongi, it's called sled, not Santa Claus vehicle. Jimin, it's Santa Claus vehicle, you not the sled. But Santa Claus vehicle pulled by reindeers, nah. Then why do dogs pull the vehicles? Dog started running and pulling the sled. Jimin was sitting and Yoongi was standing behind the sled. Yoongi, because here dogs pull it, now keep quiet and enjoy the sledge ride. Jimin raised his both the hands in the air and screamed, "Yay! Jimmy is coming! Move everyone!" He was so happy. Why doesn't he be happy? He sat on the sledge for the first time. It was unbelievable moment for both of them. Yoongi was also happy to see Jimin's happiness. Yoongi, are you enjoying? Jimin screamed, so much. I can't explain my feelings to you. Yoongi, don't worry, it's just starting. Many more surprises is coming. Jimin, I can't wait to see my surprise. Surprises! Jimmy is coming. Yoon, where are we going? Yoongi, to meet your relatives. Jimin looked at him. My relatives? But none of my relatives live here. Yoongi, you will meet them soon, don't worry. Jimin happily, Otte! By the way, Yoon, where are we? Yoongi, Tromso. Jimin, tomato. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? With whom are Yunwin going to meet? What is the biggest surprise waiting for Jimin in Tromso? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Finally, our Yunmin reached at their dream destination. Here, so many drama is going to happen. Till now, you must be see Paris as the most romantic place. Now, I will show you the most beautiful place on the earth. After seeing that, you couldn't believe on your eyes that such place even exists on the earth. Just wait for next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.